Welcome to today's tutorial where we dive into the many features of the MikroTik reset button. If you've ever wondered about the magic behind that small button on your MikroTik RouterBOARD device, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into the process. Locate the reset button on your MikroTik RouterBOARD device. It's usually a small, recessed button that you might need a paperclip or a pen to press. Make sure your router is unplugged from the power source before proceeding. Now press and hold it down. In our case, it can be easily done with a finger. While holding down the reset button, plug the power back into your router. Now if you'll be holding the reset button for 3 seconds, it will load Backup Bootloader. It's a handy feature that can come to your rescue if you ever encounter issues with the main bootloader. The Backup Bootloader functions as a safety measure for your device. In the event of a failure in the main bootloader or any complications arising during an upgrade, the Backup Bootloader steps in to provide a solution. To initiate a hard reset, keep that reset button pressed until you start to see the LED indicator on the router flashing. Once you see the LED flashing, it's time to release the reset button. Your MikroTik router is now undergoing a hard reset. This process will return the router to its factory default settings, wiping out any configurations or passwords that were previously set. If you continue holding the reset button for an additional 5 seconds after initiating a hard reset, your MikroTik device will enter CAPS mode, short for Controlled Access Point System mode. In CAPS mode, your router becomes a part of a centrally controlled network, making it an ideal solution for large-scale deployments. It allows for efficient management and configuration from a central point, providing a seamless and scalable wireless network. If you continue holding the reset button for an additional 5 seconds after CAPS mode, it triggers the Netinstall mode. Netinstall mode is a powerful feature that allows you to start the RouterBOARD in a mode where you can reinstall the router OS or perform other maintenance tasks using the Netinstall tool. This mode is particularly useful for troubleshooting, or if you need to completely reinstall the operating system on your MikroTik device. It provides a way to start fresh or recover from certain issues. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the full potential of your MikroTik reset button. From loading backup bootloaders or initiating a hard reset, to triggering CAPS mode and diving into Netinstall mode, we've covered it all.